Do you want to receive credit card payments on your WordPress website? As you are watching this video, I guess it's a necessity for your online business. But making money is not that easy if you don't have the right tools at your disposal. If you run a WordPress website where you sell products or services, you need to know how to accept payments made with credit cards. Many users feel comfortable to pay with their credit cards, so you should not miss out on this option. But sadly, WordPress doesn't come with many payment options by default. That's why you need a powerful WordPress form builder that allows you to take payments made with credit cards. And WP Fluent Forms is here to do just that. You can easily create an order form and enable the payment option with this amazing plugin. So let's install WP Fluent Forms and see how it works. By the way, you can proceed to the next section of this video, which is setting a payment method if you have already installed and activated the premium version. To install WP Fluent Forms, go to the left sidebar on your WordPress dashboard. From Plugins, select Add New. Search for WP Fluent Forms in the WordPress plugin directory. Click on the Install Now button and activate it. This is the free version of Fluent Forms. For payments and other advanced features, you have to upgrade to the premium version. So let's upgrade WP Fluent Forms to the premium version. Click on the Upgrade to Pro button while using the free version in your WordPress admin panel. It will take you to WP Fluent Forms Pro add-on page provided by WPManageNinja. You can choose one from the 6 available packages. Choose the license you would like to purchase and click on the Buy button. Fill in the payment details for the transaction. Right after that, WP Fluent Forms Pro will be downloaded in zip format. Now go to the Plugins section of your website dashboard. Click on the Upload plugin, upload Fluent Forms Pro.zip file and install it. Now you need to activate the license. To activate license, log into your account on WPManageNinja.com. From License Keys section, copy your license key and paste it in the dialog box that asks for the key in your WordPress dashboard. Well done! Now you are ready to use the payment method and all the other amazing premium features of WP Fluent Forms Pro. To accept credit card payments on your WordPress website, you need a payment processor. Fluent Forms has Stripe, as it's one of the best solutions for credit card payment processing. Other than Stripe, Fluent Forms also have PayPal and offline bank payment methods as well. To get paid via Stripe, you have to set up Stripe on your form first. Go to Global Settings from the left sidebar of your admin dashboard under Fluent Forms Pro. Now click on the payment settings that stays on the left. Click on the Enable the Payment module. Scroll around the general settings and check out what information you need to place here. You can add your business name, address, and logo for more personalization. You will also find some currency settings such as default currency, currency sign position, and separators. Click Save Settings when you are done. Hit the next tab for Stripe settings. Update the status first by enabling the Stripe method. Next, choose the payment method. The test mode is for testing purposes. You can select it if you want to work around the system for a while. Switching to live mode means your system is up and running and people can now pay using your WordPress forms. In the next part, you are going to provide the keys. All your API keys are available to your WordPress dashboard. If you don't have an account, create one. To get the API keys, go to your Stripe dashboard. Click on the Get Your Test API keys and copy them. Come back to your WP Fluent Forms dashboard and paste them. Do the same for the live API keys. Copy them from your Stripe dashboard and paste them on the WP Fluent Forms dashboard. After filling out all the necessary details, save the Stripe settings. By the way, for subscription and recurring payments, you need to configure webhooks. You can find the relevant information at the bottom of the same page. Now, it's time to create the form where you can integrate the payment option. Move over to the New Form option in the Fluent Forms Pro dashboard. As it comes up with more than 60 pre-made form templates, you can see them upon adding a new form. Scroll a little down to the product category and select an order form. Here is what a service order form looks like. This is a ready template with full customization capability. If you want more fields, bring one from the right panel. For editing a field, hover over it and click on the edit icon. You can add your service list using the radio button or checkbox field. Below the product or service description, you can include the payment options. Although Fluent Forms has PayPal integration besides Stripe, you can go with credit card only. When you think everything is perfect, hit the Save Form button. There you have it. Your online form is now ready to take payments from credit cards. But you may also need to decide the after submission action of a form. Let's navigate to Settings and Integrations from the top bar. Here you can see all the options for configuring the confirmation. Select the confirmation type that indicates where to show the message. In the next section, write the message that you want your payees to see. Layout customization, scheduling, and advanced validation. There is a lot more to check out. After filling all the necessary fields, click on Save Settings. Now that your form is entirely ready, it's time to make it live for your users. Let's create a new page for demonstration purpose from Pages and then Add New. Now give your page a title. Click on the plus icon and search for Fluent Forms. You will find all the forms you have created under the drop-down of this block. Select your form and hit the Publish button. That's it. Now you are all set up to accept credit card payments to your WordPress website and take payments from anywhere in the world. Hope you have found this video interesting. A like and a subscription will be great for more videos like this. And don't forget to let us know in the comment section what tutorials you would like to see on our channel in the upcoming days.